Welcome to the lesson, What are stars and galaxies? You'll explore the properties of stars and other objects that make up a galaxy. The vocabulary words for this lesson are star, galaxy, astronomy. Have you ever looked at the night sky through a telescope? You probably saw huge numbers of stars. Stars look tiny in the night sky, like bright dots of light. But in reality, most stars are much larger than Earth. In fact, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside the Sun. And the Sun is just an average-sized star. Why does a star look like a bright dot of light? A star is a huge ball of gas that gives off light and other energy. Almost all stars are very, very far away, so they look pretty small to us here on Earth. The one star that looks a lot bigger, the Sun, is very close to us compared to other stars. Although the Sun is close compared to other stars, it is still millions of kilometers away. Click each image to learn more about stars and how we study them. When you study astronomy, you get to use some pretty cool equipment. Astronomy is the study of stars, planets, and other space objects. Astronomers use telescopes like this huge instrument to see stars and planets close up. How do scientists tell stars apart? Stars are classified by their brightness and temperature, which is related to their color. All stars are compared to the Sun, which is an average-sized star. The more gas a star burns, the hotter it gets. As its temperature changes, so does its color. A star starts off cool and red like this red dwarf. As it gets hotter, it turns blue. Yellow stars are hotter than red stars. The Sun is a yellow star. Blue giants are rare, but they are some of the brightest stars that we see at night. The high temperature, color, and huge size of blue giants make them appear very bright. Stars are found in galaxies throughout the universe. A galaxy is composed of stars, dust, gas, and objects that orbit the stars. Each galaxy can contain 1 billion or even 1 trillion stars. Galaxies are classified into 3 shapes. Click the pictures to find out more about galaxies and the universe. Elliptical galaxies can be perfectly round or more like a flattened globe. Typically, these galaxies are the most ancient. A spiral galaxy is shaped like a disk with a bulge at its center. Our own solar system is located in a spiral galaxy. Can you name it? If you said the Milky Way galaxy, you're right. Irregular galaxies have no shape. They aren't elliptical or spiral. You know that planets move through space. Did you know that entire galaxies also move? It's true. Galaxies can even crash into each other. In fact, some irregular galaxies are actually formed this way. Just how big is the universe? Big enough to contain millions of galaxies. The universe includes everything from the largest galaxies to the smallest particles of matter. Everything you see and everything you don't is part of the universe. Scientists think the part of the universe we know about is at least 13.7 billion years old. The Milky Way galaxy gets its name because it looks like a milky white band when we view it from Earth. Is Earth part of the Milky Way? It sure is. Earth and the rest of our solar system are in one of the arms of the Milky Way, closer to the edge than to the center of the galaxy. The Sun is just one of 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. Click play to see where our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. Remember that although most stars look small to us, they are actually huge spheres of gas. Factors like temperature and distance from Earth determine how we see a star. Click the Earth and Sun button to find out more. The Sun is only a medium-sized yellow star that is neither very hot nor very cold. It's also only about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. In space terms, that's not too far. The Sun's closeness makes it look brighter and bigger than far-off stars. Stars in the Big Dipper are larger and hotter than the Sun. They're much farther away. From Earth, these stars look very small. The stars in the Big Dipper are between 68 and 210 light years away. That's trillions of kilometers from Earth. No wonder they look so small. We can only see the stars in the Big Dipper because they are large and hot. Why does the Sun look larger to us than a blue giant does? Click the correct answer or answers. You got it! The Sun is by far the closest star to Earth. The Sun looks larger because it is closer. Which of these galaxies can be shaped like a sphere or a round ball? Click the correct answer. That's right! An elliptical galaxy can be shaped like a sphere or like a flattened globe. Explain the relationship between Earth and the Milky Way. Type your answer in the space below. Click OK when you're done. Great work! You've learned a lot about the properties of stars and galaxies. Let's review some key concepts. Stars are huge spheres of hot gas. Stars give off light and other types of energy. Stars are classified by temperature and brightness. A star's temperature determines its color. Distance affects how large stars look. A star that is close to Earth, like the Sun, will look much bigger than a larger, hotter star that is farther away from Earth. A galaxy is made of stars, dust, and gas. Galaxies also contain objects that orbit stars, like planets. Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. Now that you've finished this lesson, or if you wish, you can go back and review any part of the lesson again.